Learn to make easy paper crafts that are perfect for kids or even adults. There is so much you can do with paper. Get over 50 great ideas here. These projects are quick and you probably already have the supplies on hand. In this video, you are watching paper crafts you would love. Working with paper is perfect for beginners, even if you have never crafted before. All of these projects are easy enough for kids, and there are even options for toddlers and preschoolers. I think we all know that paper is one of the best crafting supplies out there. At least if you don't know it yet, you will after looking at this great list of ideas. When I talk about paper crafts, that could be any number of things: origami, card making, weaving, costumes, gifts, party decor, and even jewelry. There are so many projects you can make with paper, but sometimes it is hard to know where to start. That's why on that channel I would put a list of paper craft ideas for kids to give you resources for fun projects to try with your children. No matter their skill level or age, you'll find something they can make. Adults might even like to try some of these. So, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. In this way, you will get notifications of our upcoming videos. So, for crafts, I'm sure you are aware that different types of paper exist, and here is what I find is most commonly used in these projects: pusher paper or craft paper, cardstock, construction paper, origami paper, scrapbook paper, tissue paper, and recycled packaging. Of course, you can use anything you can find to make these projects. It's really up to you. If you want to use notebook paper, no one is going to stop you. Are you ready to jump in some of the best craft ideas with paper ever? I would love for you to check out the projects in the videos you'll watch. You'll learn how to make paper projects for both kids and adults. You'll only need simple crafting supplies in addition to the paper. So, some of the ideas I would suggest that you can make: paper flowers in the easiest way ever. Paper beds you can make in minutes. You can make a colorful paper garland. Use a butterfly wrapping paper with a 3D effect and perfect parakeets, as well as many more ideas. So keep watching. Thank you.